Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both machines. On the Windows PC, enable Remote Desktop and confirm a passworded user account exists. On your Mac, open the App Store and install Microsoft Remote Desktop. This app handles the RDP protocol natively. Make sure your Mac runs a recent Mac OS version for compatibility. Once done, note the target PC's IP address or hostname and verify network access. Use the VPN if the PC is behind a router or corporate. You now configure the session inside Microsoft Remote Desktop. Click Add PC and type the IP or hostname, plus a descriptive name so you can find it later. Add the Windows username and password under Credentials. If the network uses an RD gateway, add that in Gateway settings so your Mac can reach internal resources. Configure display resolution and session scaling to match your screen, and select device redirections like clipboard, sound, or folder sharing so files and audio flow between machines. You finish by double-clicking the saved PC entry to start the RDP session. Accept any certificate prompt if you trust the host. If you can't connect, first ping the IP to confirm reachability, then check Windows Firewall and Router Port Forwarding for TCP 3389 or ensure VPN is active. Also confirm credentials and try restarting the Remote Desktop app or both machines. If the session is slow, reduce resolution and disable visual effects to improve responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.